It's 11:40 midnight. This is a second-hand car that a fan just bought. This car won't start at night no matter what. But during the day, everything works fine. This is really scary. I'm here today to see what the problem is. These are the tools I brought. Come on, let's try to start it. Try again. Did you see it? It really can't start. Do you know why? Let's check the front cabin. This problem has been bothering the car owner for a month. The owner cleaned the throttle valve, replaced the spark plug, cleaned the spray nozzle, and replaced the oil pump at the repair shop. Spent $3,000, but the problem is still not solved. Then this fan came to me, asked me if I can fix this incurable disease. I said I specialize in solving car incurable diseases. If I can't fix it, I'll pay double the price for the car. Today we will witness together whether we can solve car faults on the spot. In fact, as long as the principle of the fault is clear, the solution is simple. This car can be started during the day but cannot be started at night. The temperature difference between day and night is huge now. The fault is obviously related to temperature. Usually the water temperature sensor behind the engine is faulty. The water temperature sensor controls the amount of fuel injection based on the engine temperature. If it's broken, then the car will have a starting failure. But this water temperature sensor is new. Apparently it was just replaced during the last repair, so there is no problem. In fact, in addition to the water temperature sensor, there is another part also related to temperature. Many repair shops tend to ignore it. Look, that's it. It is the intake air temperature sensor. Now I suspect there is a problem with it. Let's take it apart and take a look. It's easy to dismantle it. There are no screws on it, just these few buckles to fix it. Unplug. Then lift it up with your hand. Pull the sensor out. Okay, you can take it out now. Very complete. Come here. Look, this is the cause of the glitch. My gosh, the top of the sensor is wrapped in sludge. No wonder the car can't start. Once the cause of the fault is found, the solution is simple. Don't rush to replace it yet, lest you spend money in vain. Spread a paper towel on the ground. Then take a bottle of cleaning agent and clean the sludge on the sensor. This cleaner is so cheap that it only costs the price of a burger. Wow. Really dirty. The intake air temperature sensor is a negative temperature coefficient thermistor. Temperature increases, the resistance decreases. Temperature decreases, the resistance increases. The computer controls the amount of fuel injection based on this signal. The temperature is low at night now. If the computer cannot accurately determine the actual temperature and thinks the temperature is still very high, it will reduce the amount of fuel injection, causing the mixture to be too thin and the car may not start. Okay, it has been washed. Look, looks like new. Next, we install it back and check the repair effect. Installing it is very simple. Aim the sensor at the small hole just now. Push it in. When you hear a beep, it's installed. Finally, put the plug back in. Okay, all parts have now been installed. Next, we start the car and see if it can start. Hey bro, if the car can start smoothly, please light up the red heart to support me. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. The owner said the car wouldn't start late at night. Look, it's 1:15 a.m. now. Let's give it a try. Brake, shift to P. Come on, 3, 2, 1, start up. Started successfully. The engine is powerful. Try again. Success. The problem has been completely solved. Take a look at the engine. Tell the pastor that he doesn't need to come. Look, the engine runs very smoothly. It's really simple, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.